guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the conclusion of week 5 on Optavia, and I hope you can hear me. My neighbor has their central air going, and there's pandemonium in my house right now, and I'm stepped outside out on my porch, so hope you can hear okay. But anyway, 5 weeks down, feeling fantastic, feeling better than I have in a long time. The plan is a no-brainer. It is a no-brainer. I eat the food, I lose the weight, I feel phenomenal, and now I'm a health coach for the company and I am helping others. I'm paying it forward and I love it. So if you're interested in becoming a client of mine, it's free as long as you're on the plan, and if you are, just leave a comment below and I would be more than happy to call you and speak to you live and discuss the program and what it entails. So anyway, this week has been a wonderful week, but very hot and humid here in Jersey. Very hot and humid. And to boot, of course, today is the visit of Aunt Flo. So I'm thinking that while today's weigh-in is fantastic, it could have been a little bit better had I not have been retaining this water. My rings are a little tight, but I did have a fantastic loss, so I'm going to tell you about that. But again, yeah, the plan is great. I have had some different fuelings, some new ones that I want to share with you, but I'll do that in another video. I definitely want to do that for you. My lean and greens have been on plan. I've been literally eating very, very naturally per se. The protein and the veggies and the good fat. Have had no real cheese other than just a little bit of feta during the week, but no recipes created around cheese. And no coffee. I've just been drinking some herbal tea, which I love because they come in so many flavors. And every night I have my little brownie with my peanut butter and my cup of tea. And I'm losing weight eating chocolate brownies and peanut butter. So anyway, let's get to it. How did I do this week? Drum roll, please. That's right, guys. I lost 0.9, which is technically another pound. So I am down 14.5, almost 15 pounds in 5 weeks. What? How is this possible? I still can't believe it. That's a lot of weight to lose in 5 weeks. And this week my activity level has been a little bit less than normal because we've had a lot of rain here, and the outdoor activity that I normally get was pushed to the back burner. We did set up our swimming pool in the backyard. I did get 1 night of swimming, my typical walking, but nothing that I am normally doing in the past 4 weeks. So I don't know if it's a combination of Aunt Flo and a little bit less activity, but I'll take a pound. If I lose a pound every week in a year, that's 52 pounds. So I don't need to lose that much, but I'm just trying to give you an example that, you know, every single week on this plan, I've had a loss. That is phenomenal at 5 weeks. I'm so proud, and I have such great support, and my health coach is amazing. And if you would like one and you would like to join the Optavia family, let me know, and I'm more than happy to help and guide you and be your coach, and we can do this together. So thank you to those of you who have joined and have stepped on board. I appreciate it, and I am loving working with you. And for those that are brand new as of the past few days, I look forward to working with you, and we will do this together and create a wonderful, wonderful, healthy lifestyle. So with all of that being said, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, guys. I will see you in my next video, and if you have any questions, let me know. All right, stay focused, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.